A wire brush set is an indispensable tool for both professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts, offering a versatile solution for a variety of cleaning, polishing, and surface preparation tasks. Typically comprising multiple brushes with different shapes and sizes, these sets are designed to tackle everything from removing rust, paint, and corrosion to polishing metal surfaces and cleaning welding slag. The bristles of the brushes are usually made from hardened steel, brass, or stainless steel, each material catering to specific applications to prevent damage to the workpiece. For instance, steel bristles are perfect for aggressive cleaning and rust removal on robust materials, while brass bristles are gentler, suitable for delicate surfaces that require a softer touch. The handles of wire brushes are ergonomically designed for comfort and control, allowing for extended use without causing fatigue. Some sets include brushes with different handle designs, such as long handles for reaching into tight spaces and short handles for precision work. In addition to handheld wire brushes, many sets come with wire brush attachments for power tools, significantly speeding up large-scale cleaning projects and ensuring a more uniform finish. The comprehensive nature of a wire brush set ensures that whether you're preparing a surface for painting, maintaining tools and equipment, or restoring old furniture, you have the right tool at your disposal to achieve professional results. The durability and efficiency of wire brushes make them a staple in any workshop, proving time and again that the right tools can transform a challenging task into a straightforward, satisfying process.